bafethu sengihembe bathi sabangani wena ngimestele omuhle wase MP Nyamati manager yabo bonke labadumile most eMpumalanga so ngikuphi ngisekhathe inside Bombela into lengende ukuthi ngize ngidwe ayivalele ukuthi mnanze njani ekhathe eMbombela kude lomdlula ukuthi inside Bombela so sabangani wena ngibonga nelitswele nyangathi nonke sengihambile danko ngiyabonga bafethu kuba nami sabana. Bafethu sanibona njani na bathi nisabani kanine ngethi 25 April niyathi nonke ukuthi kunalento lebathi iComrade Marathon yakaHuboku isuka khona la ngime khona ngilapho khona ubambisene na Mr Thaphelo Nkosi mnakethu niyathi le isuka la ishone ndasi njule lapha ebongani esikoleni ikhuphuke emluti ishone ka lapha eTulu bogudlane ibothithi ithi shishile esikoleni kaMdulasi ikhone ithi kaMazambane la udlula khona lapha uthi bomayibuye uphinze ubuye khona ngalana kaHuboku ngilapho uthi owina khona imali yakho kanti usabani kani wena asubakhuzathi Mr Thaphelo ukuthi bagcwele bathi bam ngalethi 25 April le ndiyasuka ngo11 o'clock asambe Mr.
Number 1 uthola 600, number 2 250, number 3 150 imbili khona manje stand supplier while ngigijima sizobe sibambisana into yokuhle kakhulu cela nigcwaleni benonke
nithi pham kakhulu imoto kutabe kunema traffic cop tilandzela maphoyisa atoba alandzela phambili kutabe sinathi sibe khona ngema camera ethu no Facebook udobeni live lento ibemlanze kakhulu nje ipinari so icala nje mhla ka 25 April nangethi 31 October so sifaka imali lethu pham kakhulu ngigcwale ntobona mlingo sabusabani kani wena
siyabonga bhuti
danko.
Welcome to this week's exciting episode of Inside Bombela. I'm still your host, Leo Gant. If you're new to the channel, this channel is all about showcasing the best of what we have as the local. You know, shining the light on people who do extraordinary things, but people don't necessarily know that they exist. So we've got one such person today on the hot seat who is exactly that. He exemplifies exactly why we do these things, and my guy has got like 19 jobs, but still we are up. Hold on to that. Please, my dude, introduce yourself to my people.
Okay, sanibonani nonke inside Bombela ngibonga kakhulu ukuthi nibe nami ngiyajabulisa kakhulu ngiyayithanda futhi nalelo kuyenje ihle kakhulu inside Bombela shothi khuluma ngento yiphi yasekhathi eMpumalanga eNasport ihle kakhulu ngiyajabulisa kakhulu so laba ngangadi ligama straight ngembongane Wiseman Letswele then ngiphinze futhi ngisebenzise lo muhle wase MP ngiphinze futhi ngibe ngimMr usabani wena so bantu abaningi bathi buta ukuthi lo muhle wase MP Bongani Letswele usabani wena so sichaza konke lokho nakusolo kuhamba ukuthi khamba njani ngize ngibe namagama langaka.
I'm happy you have an actual name. Yes, it was gonna be nice to take a look at your ID on Sabani as a first name. It was like, so Baba, talk us through how you got this name, Usabani. That's the one that actually speaks to me.
Okay. Usabani uso mina like lang khule khona ne. Ngimi like guy lo wake wakhalkhaya ana 22 years old. Like ikhaya leli angisho kwanro. Angisho ukuthi baro labale one room yabo but ikhaya lami nangwabona like social media ngifakile yabo likhulu liyacosta lethe kufana ukuthi ngilo liyacosta more than 400,000 so bantu abaningi bathi buta ukuthi ngiyithola kanjani imali ezingikhona ngakhala ngakho yabo so ngila lento yaqhamuka khona ukuthi usabani because ngiletinto letiningi like lesikhana saqala kwenda letinto bantu abaningi baba ashamed kufana ukuthi ekhaya kube neti market like edrobheni yabo umuntu angafuni ukuthi ngisedrobheni ahambe nababa bakho namakwakhe yabo asabe so into etinjalo ukuthi ngile imisebenzi leminingi ngesikhathi lesiyi1 ngila kusho khona ukuthi angisabi lutho uyabona into efana lento so ngihambile kufanele isikhathi baba manginika amajamu ngisasemncane anginika amajamu bekabuya nawo ngathi bebuya nawo umsebenzi ngoba buya ku abuye anginike ngiwathengisa ne nangothengisa namajamu lawa lokwe kubajamu lokubuve yakubona so ngihamba lamakhaya nangibuye kushaya konke kuphelile bathenga labantu ngithi bathenga uyabona so ukhumbule kule bantu ofunza nabo esikoleni labantu ofunza nabo esikoleni ufuna kubasabe ukuthi mina ngisengisa amajamu makuhambe kani market mara ukuthi ushuthi manje babuhambe kahlala yedwana nama kwabahloko bahlukene yabo so nangala baba munginika amajamu lephuza amandle basebenza emayini mina nginankingi usebenza emayini yena mina ngihamba ngiyathengisa basibaba mina awusabi lutho ungisabusaba
nice one so
makwami uthengisa emarket eGedlembani
Yeah.
nathengisa emarket eGedlembani nakuvala tikolo mina ngilapha kunami lapha emarket makwami uthi wena labantu labanye khona labalandzela mina kumakwami abathandi ke market baba afraid tukwani tukwebantu labafundza nabo bandlule lapha abahlaba semarket babona ngathi upass makwabo so mina ngilapha into beyenda ukuthi ibusiness ihambe kakhulu ukhumbule lesikhathi siyakhula ngithi labantu batane bathi athi lapha yinhle manje yabona bathenga kodwa laba bathuma ukuthi bothenga emarket abasayile nje imarket bayena phakule market yakho so ngisaba uyabona le so ibusiness ngayiphusha njalo kuleni njalo ukuthi okay right le business nanga nje ngiyiphusha ngakhona yabo so ngiyiphusha ngani ukuthi angisabi lutho yabo so kulento le yadida abantu abaningi ukuthi esala lo muntu akasabi uyabona kuleli njalo baba kunika iphuza amandla angelela nethi mind yakho nema mina ngenzana maka uthengise market yabona njalo so ngikhona lapha ngiyathengisa into ezifana leto lesikhali kunemafedi lokuthi bathengisa amafedi yabona mafedi awukhumbule nangabe ikolo tingakavula ngalabantu abadlula bawathenga so ngabe tivaliwe uyabona akahambi lamafedi so thule besikhona kunzinzana lamafedi amanje sibe bread iphelile sebakhaya uyabona so ngilengele ihamba njalo ukuthi bonke labantu awuhamba namakhaya uyangena na uzangena phela wathi ukuthi khaba nje ngoba sikhona la uyabona lokuthi la khaba yabo awati lutho na ufika la uthola umuntu ofunda la eclassini uyothini wena so ufunele njani ukuthi ubukele phansi uthi ngithengisa amafeti mina bengasabi la ngifika lapha ngimeme mkani wami uthenga 2 niyahlanya wena uyabona na uthanda imali uthiwa 10 baba kuyakhipha na uhamba uthi mngani wami bofana nomfana lo kasabulutho usaba
There's this line they say like, don't be afraid of your hustle. Because maso ulambile, maso usimnyameni vele, you can't say the same people that you are afraid to sell to, you now need to gather strength and ask them for help. It does not make sense. Why is it easier kuya ungaphathanga lutho esandleni but you find it difficult mawuya uthi awuthamba na ibhuku vele ngiyalithengisa nginema diary ya 2026 maybe awukayithenga. What's up with that? So ibuya kuphi lenzaba wena as far as black people wena ubabona ibuya kuphi lento yakuthi vele like kusaba abantu when it's convenient for them.
I-problem yabo njengoba usilungu ushaka mnanzi njani uyavakala ukuthi usilungu asishaya mina ngikhuluma Swati
boy
uyayiva lenzaba so umuntu nakafika tolo omnye umuntu yabo uyasaba ngoba lo ubona ngathi usetulo uyavesene njalo asabe yena athi bone ngathi kufuna wena njani chothi sibesibuza soyi2 mina ngeke ngikhona into okuthengisela kuwe ufluent kwesilungu utsebelela right uyabona into efana letho uyabo so mina ngiyoba afraid kuwe ngithi emkhana nami umuntu ongibuka ukuthi mina ngipass
ukhohlwa one thing at that moment ukuthi vele mangikuthengisela something mina ngibona sidingo sa this thing kuwe ngithola ukuthi vele like no this is going to sort out the problem le mnanga anayo and if akekho vele uyokutshela ish bafana ngiyadzinga lento le but ngicela time futhi about 2 weeks time ngiyobe ngime kahle vele nje soma vele ngiyokuhafe impilo ichuba kanjalo
kuwe kuba easy uyabo njengoba ukusho uyabo but umuntu lokufuna atophanda uyasaba kuda because ubuka ukuthi maybe utothi ubona ukuthi ubukela apass uyabo ngindo le nda ukuthi abantu abaningi bangakhona ukuphusha empilweni uyibona ngoba uthi yena ufuna kubonakala like tukwe simo tukwe level langekho kuyo uyibona ufuna ukufika la ukhona khona wena but yena level yakhe ayikho khona level yakhe ethi wena thengisa umuntu okhona kufika nge level so uyasaba
saba our regulars vele ngiyakhumbula vele when we had Prince Valley on the hot seat and I said everything in life is sales. If you are good with sales vele nje nothing is going to hold you back. That day vele ngayenza example ngokushela but don't worry sister kuya kuyo vele some other time. But for how many jobs do you have? I counted 11. Like whether it's entrepreneur, artist yourself, you produce music videos for artists, you manage artists, like where do you find the time? And were you formally trained for all of these, or it's touch and go velenje, you learn on the job, literally?
So ngilento ngikhumbula ngifike eJozi ne?
Yeah.
Nangifike eJozi ngokuqala ukuthi ngiyotifikela mina. Nangifike eJozi 2017 I think bekuJanuary ne? Nangifika lapha ema office benyaka Khapaso. laba busy khona ngithi into baboleka imali na mixa music video nanani yabo. So nangifika lapha ne basi labantu wayisuka eMpumalanga wena lento inokude le online ngasi mina no angeke ngize ngento online letinto mina ngifuna ngithothi ifunza ngitati ngoba nangitwenda online udothi ngigcwalise in lapha angiyadi lento so ngabe wena udongikhomba la maphepha ukuthi ngigcwalise lokhu ngigcwalise so ngidokhona kukwati bathi angeke usuka le awuyadi lento lotela yona la nethi uyati ukuthi so yabona ukuthi mina angiyadi lento yabo so le msebenzi ngofunza njani ngofunza lokuthi nangihamba ngifika lapha ukhumbule umuntu nawungamadi uassista mondani umuntu lokwati
fact
so nangifika lapha yabo kaKhapaso labo sese bebelapha number 1 ngabathi number 3 most like labo babhisi lapha ngibe nethi number 3 bonke bathi ngihlanyanyana yabo but no wena uyasichaza wena kuranti lophumelele ungithi ngithi number 3 so labantu bangifundisa umsebenzi kuphi bona angayile esikoleni lento uyayivesisa so lapho ngena njani bengimikisa besifuna ukuthi imali music video uyabona nokusubmit music video ukuthi imali after lokho uzoyithole kanjani so ngathi through labantu labo lengaya kubo before ngoyifunza ukuthi sengihlala nalabanye uyabona eclassini ukuthi ngiyele eclassini ngayende eclassini angazi ngiyendele ukuthi ngene njani ngihlale nalabantu eceleni nangihleli nabe eceleni so labana bangitshela ukuthi wenda lokhu nalokhu sebese kunalabanye lababhizi ngemusic video sengiyakhona kuhlala nabo nangihleti nabo sengiyayibona le siya experience sonke ukuthi okay let's shama practical straight ukuthi iyayenda wena uyayathi kancane nami ngiyachamuka ngiyathi kahle senangifika lapha sengithatha ilo bathi knowledge
wow ubuye Spain guy
Epina yes
Epina okay cool tell us a bit more about your family unit like I know ukhuluma ukuthi vele timer mama zala and everything siblings and everything like did you have a happy childhood
lesikhathi ngimncane ne background just that ukuthi ngiqale kuphanda ngimncane so kude le experience kakhulu like ukuthi ngizothini lokuthi isikombe kunjani yabona because ngifuna ngicala kuphanda ngala bengithengisa ngala nangiceda kuphuma ku grade 12 sekufuna ngene njani ngiphushe kakhulu ngala into marketing ne music uyabona so ngithi njalo ngala nangifuna ngavuleleka ibusiness futhi again then ngifuna ngiphushe le business leyo so isikhathi esiningi angabi naso sokuthi ngibe kakhulu isikom nebantu uyabo so ngibe busy kakhulu kuphi kulama business
I think that actually protected you from a lot of nonsense that happens nje angithi kune this phrase but say idle hands are devil's workshop because the moment vele nje ustandla vele thing and the next vele nje then ingqondo takes over ukuthi vele like let's call that person let's do that nonsense that's how people actually end up in jail or in situations la vele bebangafanele kuba khona mangabe vele ukuthi vele if you've got a book rather read that book than uphume endlini aimlessly that's how I was anyway and I think now abakatsheli but we endile anyway
phindze futhi lokho ku right phindze futhi ku disadvantage
no everything
lo ne yakusibena njani sithi ngabe ukukhona kuphusha ukuthi from esikoleni so uyaphuma usesikoleni uyaphandanyana na usuka lapho uyaphanda kakhulu yabo then ukhumbule sithi ake sidevelop inara beze zakhe inara yabo kuba nema enemy lamaningi lama enemy akho onke lawo ngilabantu lobukhula nabo
it's very hard for a stranger to hate you
so uma ukhula lapho kulenzawo leyo ne uyabona then labantu bonke labo ne uyaphanda lesikhathi saqala kuphanda khumbula lesikhathi sangisa emarket yamakwami ngithengisa iphuza amandla ngithengisa naloku kwemajama yakubona labantu bonke labo abakuboni because lento leyana abayiboni irrelevant
yes
yabo so nangabe ingekho relevant kude lokunaka lesikhathi iqala lento seyishova ukuthi okay right nyalo sengibhizi ngalo sengenza imali uyabo ukhumbule lesikhathi sengisathola into lethu mina benginvest yabo bengena nema piece job like emakhaya ukuthi ngiyacleana ngena yini ukuthi njalo emakhaya imali leyo ngayibona incane khumbula not ofika ngibide la uyabona uJared nanani ngifike ngithi 300 ngiya 300 kude mina bhala 300 ngile like bakhona lababhala kunabalo uyabona but imali local lokuthi lathi ikomo lapha sanati ikomo good ngibhala 300 namuhla lathi uma ngilokusheshe ngicethe lapha ngiye kulomunye futhi again uyabo ngente emalini ukuthi maybe ngiya 250 futhi nginamalini lapha na 550 1k yabo so imali leningi ngibese ngayithola into efana naleyo yabo so then uma so investor so uyathenga sithi njengemoto yami yokucala ngathenga iGolf 2012 ne ngabeka 20000 yabo ngayithatha 20000 emanyeveni nangithenga emanyeveni kulomuntu bengina 20,000 bengingafika lapha nganegotiate naye nakho lo muntu bekathenga ukuthi le moto inenkinga uthi yena ilevel yakhe ayisavuma ukuthi hambe ngemoli kule msebenzi asebenza sha so nangifika lapha ngibile ngina 17 wathi hayi nawe uyahlupha mfana mani awusangida ngithi ngina 17 vele uyabona wanginika ngizena 3,000 uyabona ngihamba ngayo le golf la ngihamba ngayo le golf ngaphinza ngayithengisa ngayithengisa 35,000 uyabona
Yeah.
sekula ngene njani la ngithenga iveni uyabo ngathenga iveni hayi le ngihamba ngayo nyaka iveni yami yokuqala ngayithenga senginesikhathi khona lapho ngo-2012 khona lapho yabona ngathenga lapha nangithenga le veni leyo ngihamba ngayo ngiyidizili and ngisengathi ngithi imoto kakhulu uyabo so nangaba le veni idizili kuba nalomunye khona ngale unesitolo namakwakhe base bacela ukuthenga le veni
Okay.
ngiyithenge 40,000 bayithenga 75,000
Wow. Is it still called money laundering when people are spinning cars? Like he's spinning cars. Okay.
so uyayibona lokuthi njani ngithengise 2 imoto uyabo
At perfect. Perfect.
so le timali tonke leto yabo imali tonke utsolo ngiyadibamba onke lama profit phinza ngithengele enye imoto futhi same time ngathenga 2 le 2 leyo ngathenga 14 ne Mazda Drifter yabo ngaye Mazda Drifter ngayithenga Witbank ngayithenga 50 le 14 ngalithenga kusihlobo sami egame ngamadlela ngomkhulu ngalithenga 20,000 brand new ngifuna balithenga egarage so lo lihlida balanzaba nayo yabo ngalithenga nangisuka lapho le 14 ngathi ngilibhala ku Facebook ngathi nali 14 for sale ngabhala iprice ngathi ngiyadlala ngathi 65 lungu wangifonela wathona 50,000 cash la plus story so la ya 14 ngidlula ngiyalibona likhona njengoba ngikhuluma nawe
Yeah.
uyabo wanginika cash le mali le Mazda Drifter ngayithengisa 90,000
Wow.
uyabona so le mali yonke leyo le mali lengakhanga ngayo ikhala la uqala kwakha le khaya khumbula kagogo wami kusuka ikhala lami na usuka la ekhaya lesi 7 kagogo wami uyabo ngibe ngihlala khona baba behlala le bahlala khona but isikhathi sebayelona ngasuka ngihlala kagogo uyabo say then ngihlala kuphi kagogo wami ikhala lesi 7 lesikhala lami shothi mina lapha la ngihlala khona ngisesikoleni ngicetha khona 12 lapha bonke labantu laba bangadi ngakhala ekhaya lapha liweta mali ekhaya uyabo wonke umuntu akuzonda la akuzonda wonke umuntu ukhumbule kunemantombazane
Thanks.
amantombazane lapha uma kwabo bonke bafisa wena uthandane namunye mntwana umthandane nababa majida onke afuna unathena wathena njalo uyayiva lenza wena ujwayele imzinza ungena emakhaya la wangena emakhaya uyadijela hatred ke lapho
I know. That one you on your own with it, but even Christ had the same issue, so yeah. Ikhulu lenza. Metchom, how did you find the switch from Spy Josie to Big Josie? Like nje, all of a sudden you leave Pina and then you are in Joburg learning how to do things that you've only seen on TV at that moment. Suddenly, the people that you saw on TV are people that you brush shoulders with, and ufunza gibo, yeah, and you are on a first name basis now. How was the switch from you as a small city boy? Yeah, small city boy to a big town.
okay le ndiqala sona kude ngibe nale passion kakhulu for the juice 2009 ngingase ngithe ubangana mistake nengoma liyaphuma ipinara abantu abaningi abacabanga ukuthi yakhishwa ngini nani into mangala njenganamuhla ne yakhumbula DJ Clio wakhipha ingoma lesihlokoloza nathi amafukathi isihlokoloza
Yeah,
ingoma leyo yabhalwa ngimi umuntu okucala ama voice ngimi
you lie. Like seriously.
I swear to God.
Okay, man. Usho.
Hlokoloza hayi hlokoloza
Yeah. Yasibona senza.
hlokoloza le ngoma le kunalomunye benginemntwana ne uyabona ukuthi sipractice abantu lomfati nginayo esikoleni sisesikoleni ne secondary then anginamali etimbili ukuthi imbida kuthi bantwana basifuna imbida ne sele ngale inyanga bathi ngahlokohle le nyanga leyo ithatha music izaloto ithatha music wena ngicela ukuthi ungede le ngoma ngifuna kuba ngi-DJ nje lodumile DJ Mahlokohle isibina ayikhululeke into kwendele yabona lo Mahlokohle ngithi hey so kunalomnye makhelwane nami bekathatha ukuthi bambita ngahlokolesa nganyanga yabona so uyacela nokuhlokolosa wena yabona yabona bekasho yabona njalo yabona so mina ngathatha lento leyo sisekamereni naseligado ne ngathi seligado ngilesa recorder kube ngana equipment mina yabo bese babhize esikamereni seligado ngathi seligado okay le pick le ngiyayiva man ithi ngentele lento kumakhelwane wami lohlokoloza yabo hlokoloza hayihlokoloza bahlokoloza wena hlokoloza yabona ngayishaya yabo mnanzi nangisuka ngathatha lento mina ngayinika bani lenyanga yathatha lento yayinikeza eJobs yayiba lena banjani lenyanga ithoni the music uyofuna ideal eJobs unika lo munye ujwayele bani Clio na Adam Fukadi babathe bathatha le ngoma boyithu uyinika ngala ayiniki umuntu music njengoba stage soyithu so ufika inika wena ukho nami biza inika ngala kakhulu umuthi unike bani yabo le ngoma uthi iqhamuka nayo lelo qhamuka le ngoma iqhamuka eMpumalanga kimi
so but for wait a minute so did you get paid
angazi ngibhadala le ngoma leyo
so it's got like
okay ngibhadaliwe ke asithi ngibhadala imbida ke
no I understand that but go on like when I don't know how many views did it have on YouTube well first
I was watching it yesterday.
You were watching it yesterday. So that's money in whose pocket for your efforts? That's my question.
Wede kanjalo. And like la tovela nyalo but also unemango ma legend laba ngeke kuze kwendeke. Uyabo? Selento pheze ukutshela ukuthi iphize yapolishwa njani after ukuthi ingaphinzi vele. Uyabo? Into njalo. So kwendeke njalo nje ukuthi ngoma iphuma epinari ya. Ihlokoluza njengoba ngikutshela fakazi wayo ngubani? Mahlokohla lo uhambisa le ngoma eJobs lesanika yena mina ngifuna imbida ngana manje yani yemntwana yini yemntwana yamba nje ahlokoloza la iduma so iduma ukuthi umnikati wayo angithi lapha abathenga ingoma ufika ufaka ama voice wena yabo nabafika ba change everything ibeat ba change everything noma ngabe ubanike MP3 angithi ukuthi le data lonke bona ba blind le ndaba fika bayishaya ibeat ekhona into othengisa bathathe le message ngule bayithathe bayi transfer yabo that's why it is amasange but umuntu lo wayenda le ngoma leyo ngiyimina seligado
so Usabu Sabani some way somehow you made it back to Mpumalanga Mbombela to be specific how did that happen what was the reason ubuyeleni ubuyenjani
le benguthathe knowledge
yeah
uyabo ukhumbule eJozi zonke umuntu nakasuka la fana ukuthi nawubukela iTV eJozi ne ngoJanuary lo bekuseJozi ngabe ngale venue nale ngabangale yabo na ubukela iTV yonke into uyibona wangithi baveta leti indzawo leti right ubone eJozi ukuthi wena konke ku glamorous uyabona leti jalo nawo bafika eJozi emakhaya le lokushini ayikho le yonke lento leyibona la TV yabo so thina nasiqhamuka yabona sifike edrobheni yabona irent esedrobheni yadura yabo nawufika lapha edrobheni wathi imali yabona mina ngifuna kwenda le ngwendaba yabo sabhadala ama rent for lesikhathi leso senele lesikwendako sajika ngiyo lento le ndaba usene njani sibuye ngoba leti into la ufika lapha so hamba bokukhomba kusabe sokukhomba ezona sabe sokukhomba eChambers yabona boPenville bosowethu ukuphuphe ukuthi lidzaba lento kanjalo awufika into tonke bakutshela tona tikho bonke abantu bahleli lapha eJozi abasebenzi bantu babuye baphila ngerent kusebenzela njalo most abantu abasebenzi bahleli ba-RTP abo baphila ngerent phelele njalo lo wabonako lapha nafanele usimathenga lethi ngoba sekufuna ukusaphele kakhulu yabo lo DJ sibuna otira abantu mathenda nto as music damn wena uyova ingoma utshele ukuthi ingoma yes iyashisa nje wakhumbula ama streams nawufuna kwathenga ku TikTok yothenga uyabhadala nyanga ubhadale 100 and something ube na 30,000 ama views wendile noma wathengile
you bought them officially vele nje wathengile
sedenzine uma tuba lokho sibona lama views onke lawo sithi DJ bani ushanga views namanje bawathengile onke lama views yabo so ngileti list njalo ukuthi ngiyayibuka ukuthi correct lento le mos nami ngingakhona kuyena kuphi ekhaya ithi ngijike wena kuphi ekhaya yabo so ma views music nawabona ku YouTube athengiswa ubonaka isikhathi lesiningi avamise ukuthi nangabe choose bakutshela ukuthi 21 million views in 2 days normally now wa-check ingoma leda ngibhizi bamathitha bona ngitshele ukuthi ingoma yabantu bani yenda 1 million views nga 2 days yabo solo ina 1.2 million views cheap today so like nalaba yibonga basola abantu kuyifi.
All right, you know, there's videos and artists, whether here and there in the US and everything, where but like no new world record, 1 million views in 7 days, and then 7 years later when you go in, it's 1,100,000. So it's only 1 million in 7 days, but it's like a good 100,000 in 7 years after. So now, how has the experience been for you so far, boy? Like you are here on Inside Mbombela, and is this what you had in mind, or you had another picture altogether?
No, yadusi kunjani?
Ngilalela wena boss.
Yonke into ne na uyenda yabo awuyendi ukuthi wena ubuka asithi ubuka ukuthi ngiyethini mina, you understand? Into na uyenda ubuka abantu bakho bonke labalandzela wena. Uma mina ngingafuni kuba ukwenza ngolenge shothi mina nginemona ukuthi nini into phusha like this.
No.
Uma nina ningakhula nibe tulu kunami kunalomuntu oqala phasi ayochecka kimi nakaqala phasi bakhumbuza unawo bam interviewer naye mina ngisho ukuthi nina ningiphakamisele baba.
Most people are bayibuka njalo yet. Bayibuka in a sense, I mean, I think it's one-sided view. Ukuthi bafuna ukukhula ngami, bafuna ukuthathela abantu bami babenze abantu. You don't own for process yabantu bona. If somebody is into you and you are here, that means my people who did not even know you existed. Now sebayati ukuthi no usabusabani khona. Okay, sharp layout, you know. Once 1 2 3, okay, fine. This is my music work. Let's watch a few episodes of podcast like and everything. But why ingekho that thing? Yakuthi vele like sikhule together.
Kuba njalo ke dube bantu yabona. Khona lelinye ilanga one of le like laPumalanga ne unimafilisi lamaningi yabo bakhatha iTikTok yakhe ne iTikTok yakhe ne before bakhatha iTikTok yakhe ngamtshela ngeWhatsApp ngathi bestokhuluma iTikTok yakho batho yivala uyayivalela because lento iqhamuke kimi mina lento ngithethe juice angifundise wena iTikTok uyati kuphi laPumalanga ukuthi wendile babamkhulu yabo it's fine udiphushe but uma wena iTikTok yakho itovala ngilokutshela ukuthi iTikTok yakho itovala and wena ngeke uzoyazi usiyovala njani uyotibuti ngani iTikTok South Africa uma iTikTok South Africa kunebantu ekufuna babe relevant in South Africa you can't beat those people bayibhena.
Do you know if it ever ike yabuya or it's
ayibuyi funa ucale phasi uvuleleke iTikTok
What are the reasons for it?
nabayivala angeke ubhithe umuntu lo kufana ukuthi njengeyalo bekunambani nalo kufanele lo bhuti lo yaphatha mhlawumbe asithi maybe kuna ngalo majokes akhe ngasi macapha la William William eshinya mkhona lo yeah evesinto njalo lo yena kufuna kube nguyilo omkhulu lakithi ngeke uzumvale nababona ukuthi wena sowuthengisa more than yena khumbula nema investors lapha kunalebe baba shop kunabantu bethi impahla kunabantu bonke labantu labo ba investile lapha imali so wena na utofika wena iTikTok yakho ithi 3 million views le 3 million followers na uposta kuzinganga million shothi wena usho ukuthi lama investor onke la investor lapha kuloyana kufanele ayiku ba investile lapha ba sign contract ukuthi siyakusign is contract 5 years. So then when uyavela wena nyalula mama into takuthi ma TikTok in so kuna uthenga khona management yokhulumana nabantu beyikuthi bantu khona kwena njani uzocreate le TikTok yakho nyalo sefuna ihambe so ayichamuke kuwe direct bayibhena
politics never, even when you don't go into politics finds you. Social media politics. Okay. But for I want to switch on to something very heartfelt. You did a few tracks with the late Lady Mo. God bless his soul. What happened to those tracks? How did you guys meet?
Okay. When they got so, ne? Moses was a song primary. Evuka sanga primary. then grade sisibani 1 2 3 4 5 shothi sifuze 5 years so
Yeah.
to grade 1 same age yakhe nayami is age level yabo so sifuze sonke then nakahamba acula lo acula emgcwabeni bekude ma trend lenje ukuthi ama fall giligitsi tumi yabo bekude ma trend kanje bekacula amemede emgcwabeni so mine ngahamba ngaya le bekahlala khona ngathi endoda yabo ngilesikhathi abantu bathi bafuna kubena njani before lapha aduma ukuthi sodumiswa ngimi ngimthole abhize emingcwabeni then mine ngaka gokwakhe ngafika ngamdzinza lapha ngangamtholi bangilayita ukuthi malanga agcina ngamthola vele lo langa lonke ngasola ngiyamdzinza yabo lesikhathi bo bathi abantu uyahlanya yabo ngathi mine lokuhlanya lo stokuchange sikwende kuthengisa azange believe kulento lengisho yabo ngathi mine lento lesitoyithengisa wathi na indoda mina ngithengele amabhiya ke sitokhuluma yabo ngathi mina khuleka ngithenga amabhiya ngithengele yabo wanathi wathi kusasa ngathi okay kusasa kungadini yabona so nakabuye kusasa ngathi mina into lebalekile yabo nyalo wena ucule emgcwabeni ingoma yabo wena lokujayiva yabo lo dume ngalo ngithi asichange lento ibe nema trend yayibona bube lula ngani ngothi ngifundze na esikoleni nesikhathi ngimthola uyakuthi ngibonga nilitswele yabo ngifana nalento lo muhle wase MP ngibani lo muhle wase MP ngimi then ngiyamthatha ngimfaka estudio uthi ndoda mina ngathi ngicula ini nanga ivideo ngathi ngeke ngisendela ne angathi ngicula ini mina ngazi ngicula angathi ukuthi kubhala kanjani ingoma ngathi no kunengoma yakugcana ebasikhipa abantu eGibhithe so icala ngaleyo se after lokuthi wena nama trend le lokujela
litsile limo wende utoba nenkinga benithi kokuqala ingoma ngeke siphume nayo
Moses ngathi okay right le ngoma leyo ngayicheka yena bekecula lapha futhi benithi ngoba ngiziphume nayo ke sicula lapha bonke abantu bestudio sami yinendlela bekathi benithi ngoba ngiziphume nayo ke yebo bekungiloko kuphela beka ngathi mina lokhu introduction yakho sebese wena utohamba uyocula emingcwabeni na ucula emingcwabeni nena ngoma lebathi yawa lembiwe na uyiqala ngifuna uthi hamba fall giligitsi wathi abantu abayithanza lento kwathi abantu bayithanza wena bathi uthi yakho last keep le video le ngoma le ne le Moses keep abantu eGibhithe ngila vela khona bakho kumaweni bathi lo muntu lo yini bonke labantu ePinari aza isapota kaza ngithola eMpumalanga bonke labantu ePinari bathi umuntu lo yele limongini mina ngifuna kwenda yini imali ngimloyile bonke abantu batheka edesikhathi leso ngihledi so yabona ngibukile ifoni ukukhuluma weni yabona trend kakhulu yabona ngala makhosi kodwa umnyema ke umakho ngiphathi ngikhohlela igama lakhe ukuthi ngibani yabo wafona wathi bhodi ine nokutshela yona ngiyanokuphakama kwami washona imuva yabo wakhipha ilutho lokufaka eFacebook lento lo yendile leya idope yabo ngathi mina naye wathi That's okay akunankingi sengiyakhubeka nalona nalomnye bathi ngizama Nkosi wasePinari kaDatch loyo vele bekahamba kakhulu athi vele sichongo uyelo mloyile athi yo ngaphosa ngagive up yabo asuka lapho kani le ngoma yashama views kakhulu labantu basikhathi bathi njani yabo yashama views kakhulu ngashuta music video ngashuta music video most iPinari yonke yaya lapha stola ngashuta khona kakhulu bonke labantu bayakuphi lapha kakhudla lebe bathi mina ngimloyile yabo sohlala kuphi eKhalam nemaroom leKhalam la senemaroom ngicela ngihlala emaroom nami yabo ngamlanza ngithengela kudla ngithatha ibahlala lapha ngenda yonke into uhlala kuphi uhlala lapha then se okay la ngoba le yashisa party ayina market ngani ngalokuthi ngade wesishaya ngakhona yabo ayibi ne market kuphi eTV uthi angiye submit angisubmita eTV ayina market ngaleyo ndlela azange bayidlale ngenda yipi idumidu nyawo la ngeli dumidumi ne ngilesikhani ngimtshela kucala before siyenda ngathi mina hamba emgcwabeni ufika uthi angithi siyakudumisa so uthi dumi yabo lo dumidumi ngilosothatha yena simfake engomeni wafika emgcwabeni wathi Dumi ya trend naso waba sometime mina lethi lesikhathi leso ucaza kushaya Dumi kusasa kuseni senginengoma
I don't know what you were doing in Joburg, but you know how to do it.
So nakusuka lapho kunele ngoma kuthi inkomazi yathi ebhodi sicela ukuthi sibe busy nani uyabo duke music video nani sicela ku sponsor uyabo so ma sponsors awathola inkomazi
Okay.
yeah kunababe leti ngoma takhe le magama nginokukhohlwa nginababe lo leti kebe le inkomazi yeah imhlongo qinisile ngimhlongo so umhlongo wangifonela bhuti wakho ne tavern wathi uyabhuka ngalana afika kimi bese wathi ebhodi andikuthini mina yonke le nto yosponsorisha dikebe nani yeah wathi no sponsorisha lento le azange ngikhiphe imali lapha kuleti lo imali engikhiphe lo usuke la nasishoneleni impahla
Yeah.
konke le masi ukuthi ivele le video leyana kanjani ngilobabe lo yana sponsor
Nice.
yabo ukuthi lethi into ibukeke ngandlela ibukeka
Yebo.
ama camera yes ethu but yena nguye lo kanjani lo was sponsor that
Atmosphere.
thing ngabe sengena kanjani ngayithatha le nto ngifaka TV ayifaka TV na angakukhumbule ukuthi banokutshaka ukuthi mageyi akafuni yabo bayidlala ivikili
Faka smehlwana chiwachisimo sifune mafuthi kalibula ibula futhi yowe chiwachisimo wena wahemba na uphuza kakhulu uchayifa kamnanzi
yeah yelewe crispy fresh bayidlala ivikili yebo so ngilapho Moses waduma khona kakhulu yabo sele ngabe ngakhipha ama fold yabo the number fold still la khona ngimtshela khona usaba ufika ukuthi fold wena njalo yabona yaduma kakhulu then story be short nyana nemi into le enda ukuthi 2022 lapho sesodume kakhulu lo muntu kune deal ya 4 million sayiluza yeah
How?
yabo khasimanyo vesta ka veteran Samsung
Yeah.
ba project necala
What?
uqiniso first people abaqala bafonela bakhulume mananani yabo baqala ngathi cha before kubona le deal
How did you guys lose it?
no tshela bona politics kunemuntu labafika wathi sine stolwendisa so kunemuntu osele khona baleni kunemuntu osele Rise FM politician babese bathi stoyenda lento because bayibona sesitulo yabo so bakhohle ukuthi lo muntu loyo aze avele kunemuntu lofike waqhamuka imastermind emuva loqhamana lengqondo ukuthi lento ayitwisteke ibe so yes elingcome yaculela babekacule into le mina ngamizayo yabo so kwangena labantu labo balama radio yabo 111 yabona bangena nabangena labantu labo la yamosheka yabo ngena njani mina lesikhani ngale delay bona labantu ngiyamtshengisa indoda kunale delay so wathi hayi abantu phatha konke yabo ngathi uneno yathi kuthina ngisiba approach mina yabo mina ngiyakhwipha yakhiphisa yabo ngabamba tonke le indoda angeke lo tonke iona ngini angeke basebenzise kufanele isikhani basifuna kusebenzisa le ngoma yabo le ngoma ukuthi nakudlala le advert yabo ufuna kusebenzisa le Dumi so angeke uyidlala kanjani Dumi wena ungayipo awunama rights uyibona le njalo so yakhatha kanjalo le yabo sengathi mina ngithini nginika mina itrimaza ngeyozo uDumi ngeke uzolo after lokho labantu bonke labo bathi ukuthi wena ubhizi yabo ukhumbule onke ma event lo to wena ma event ezemathaveni bathi event ezemathaveni umuntu lapha na kabite tavern une profit yakhe yetshwala yabo uthi ufuna profit yetshwala ufika kune 1500 yabo kune ma dealer serious kuna kune 50000 khona yabo ngilokutshela ukuthi wathola kanjani 50000 yabo sike sayishaya bo Witbank kayi2 yabo lamadila yabona so uma leti imali leto yabona akade lo muntu ukuthi leti imali leto attendile leti imali leto itholeka emaklabhini kuna labantu nethi ngoba lokho akufuneka ukubale kakhulu yabona kunabantu labathi mama drug dealer investor eclubini a investor njani eclubini afika nike le owner imali yabona nakanika le owner imali then wena bale event le mali baqhamuka ona nayo faka lapha ifaka eziqhamuka ngengani etshwaleni ayiqhamuke etshwaleni iqhamuke ema drug dealer sengasuka lapha isendle lababi usendle labantu bank
Bafo, let's go back to Pina. Let's go back to Pina. Let's take it back to community development. The talent show that you have, Konala Pespai. Whose idea was that?
Okay. Ma talent ne into le business bakutsala. Ne. Benginokuthi abantu bacule ama video nawo ngena pa Facebook le usabu sabana. Utobona lapha kune round yabantwana bacula bengibabita ngithi mina bantwana bonke laba ne talent bafuna kucula unema jokes um DJ uyajayiva uyanonke uyabona so bekunenzayo lapha ngase nikhumula kheza bathi ngagudlana ngibona amaSolomon Mbaleki ne ngathi mina buyanonke lapha nene njani mitovela uyabo lo ne talent bengacabanga ukuthi begcwala ngathi bagcwala ngakhona bagcwala kakhulu abantu kunabomaka abantu bomaka bathi support abantu ababo lo sikhathi mina angithile nomdedela mina esikhwameni sami ube 1.5 angicabanga ukuthi abantu begcwala more than leyo ngicabanga kwagcwala ngasikhumbi bekunakhathi banyoveza wathi mina yo labantu labangaka sengithuke kwa mina ngithi angeke labantu baningi kakhulu la umuntu bathini labantu bacula kwawina number 1 bekubhe bayeza number 2 ngile ukuthi ngisisanda sisanda ngumajayivana le sikhani ukuthi uma video onke la ngishoot na Moses khona ngumajayivana lapha sikonke lapho talent yakhe ngayithola lapha ukuthini uthi ngicala ngamthola eshowini seleni ngabuya ngaba nayo kuphi sengifaka into video ngumajayivana onke ma show le besihamba khona zokuperforma bomaputo kuphi ngihamba nabo sisanda
Okay.
So ngimthole lapho kule show leyo ukuthi bathi ngumajayivana lo ngamthola khona ngabuya naye ngimfaka ijayivini uthi ajayive kuphi ngale music ngimthola ukuthi competition
Yes.
lebe ngiyendela yini umphakathi oh so then ngilapho lento iyenteka khona ukuthi okay after lokho sekwangena lamabhola yabo le yabo success kakhulu le yamculo ngoba kwaqaba nabalazana bantwana bacala kakhulu yabo so then kwata le bhola kasiwere ngathi okay nangithi ngiposta ngithi okay toba nebhola ne yabo lokuthi awucabanga yabona ukuthi hayi yabona chamuke amaHrotmani incumbi into la ngisayithanza le yabona basupporta kakhulu ya basupporta ngakacabanga yabona azange igcwale njengale last one ngene kayi4
Okay.
ya yabo so bantu basound nabo sambo basipinari ne boba besambo babhizi ngemasound kakhulu yabo so nangim approach into besambo anginalutho mani manje ni pressure kulo charger mani inike nemninganikele emphakathini yabo uzabe saba uyahlupha uthanda ukucela bese bana ngicela njalo yabona even usebenza yami senino ndisebenzisa sound DJ wakho yabona ukuthi ukhira imfana wakho into afaka ingoma abantu bakhulume yabona sekunala majida ama twin bo DJ Sister na DJ Chicken bathatha bepromoter iSuper Big Zala lokumemeta emgwaqeni yasikwapiwa so ngababita labo bale talent lani leloku
MC.
yabo MC so basaketa le ball yabo ufuna ngene njani pheze ngibhadala labantu labo yabona so sabo ngamthatha sambo lo uzokhulumela mntwana wakho udla ingoma kuphela yabo sabo chama nani nesound yabo ngambhadala leyo mali le ngibhadalile akazange ngicharge kuya ngikhuluma mama ngicharge kancane wathi nosibonga usole ngaphakathi kwagcwala abantu niyokucala le nayibuya sabo so ubutami wenda nini futhi ibecwele lapha yabona so lomphakathi ogcwala kakhulu yabo seyogcina le S4 wasuka le bantu baselha
Okay.
sebaya lapha yagcwala that much yagcwala kwenza ngathi yibe ngicabanga ngakhona lethi imoto ngabe bethi ngakhona sekunebantu sebaqhamuke ngemaveni bathengisa tshwala uyabona bema ice block bamile be tea of tema chips lapha na umile lokuthi labantu akufuneki basowenza groundini akufuneki basoke baye kuphi bayekuthini so labantu lapha shotelo seyivulekile seyibusiness yabo esikhathi mina ngaluka akabenefit lutho yabo ukuthi like ngiyothola imali kanjani yabo so ngilapho khona ngathi hayi kuthini iyagcwala kakhulu bengingacabanga vele bengilesikhathi basibathi ukuphiza ukubuyela yabo so then kulesikhathi sengisayina Lady Mo yabona so ngabe sengayistop yabo ngalokuthini sengisayina like Lady Mo yabo into njalo so ngabe sengifocus kuyo kakhulu isikhathi ngiphuma kuyi ngaphuma kuyi ngathenga yabo nangithenga role uyathi usekho right marole ukhipha ngathi into etsithe ukuthi like kupinari sebese kunanani nisido wathi ngaphuma tu role okay yabo sengivula yini lesikhathi ngisayina ne-STP ngicula ukugege sendeni ngilesikhathi ngena njani ngithenga avance futhi yabo siyavanze ngisebenzele
Okay, Bafo, let's keep it a community. Let's keep it flowing with community development. You also have a marathon.
yeah
You also have a marathon. Like I mean, I have so many questions in the relation to this marathon.
okay
What's the route? Who are the sponsors? who can actually enter? Is it only for people from Pinalians or Mbombelians as a whole? Like Autiam, tell me as much info as you can about the marathon. I'm so keen.
I-marathon ikhona yendeka mhla 25 April 2026 sithi kaWoboku Comrade Marathon. Then sithi kaWoboku Comrade Marathon kunathapelo ne thapelo i-out ukuthi nangithi ngifuna kwendela mphakathi njengo December 2025 ngengile le competition again kwawina DJ Kitso yabo le ngibengiyeka back then ukuthi abantu babuye bacula baculile yini bawupholo kwini imali yabo. So ngisange ngitshela ngithi thapelo asendindwe leso angabi nenkinga yabo. So ngathi ukuthi njengoba angakabi ne problem yabo ithi ngene njani ngibisele lapha kuya again Comrade Marathon ukuthi njani isukele lapha kaWoboku sezathi kaWoboku Comrade Marathon yabona. So ngilayisa uba khona ukuthi ize iqale leligama ukuthi kaWoboku Comrade Marathon lokuthi lendo lo nokuthi nangimtshela ngithi ndoda asende into leso selele mphakathi yabona asithi maybe kumbe ngithi ngifuna kufaka imali ngithi ngifuna kufaka 1000 asa ngifaka 500 yabo akabi ne problem ukuthi le njani. So ngathi kuthini njengoba ngitofuna le Comrade Marathon ithi ngene njani ngisiqala lapha kuyo yabo isuke dry iphinze ibuye kuphi khona lapha kuyo isuka njalo ukuthi kube ngabani kaWoboku Comrade Marathon.
So the route yakhona ihamba njani?
Okay, usuka kaWoboku wena ushone bongani esikoleni yena ufike eMludi ukhuphuke ushone bokagoliwe kaGoludla kaMlungu sokuthi kaGoliwe sokuthi kaGudlane eThiti uphinde udry ngale kaMdulasi useBhiliti uthi kaMazambane uphinde ujike uthi mayibuye esikoleni so uyabuyela kaHoboku.
Indoda lesikhuphukela lesigaka.
How long is it? Like the Nyanyibona? But how long is it? How many kilos?
Kufanele ngi4.
4.
Ngiyacabanga angakacalculate kakhulu ngoba mina ngibukela isikhuphukelo ukuthi nabantu akhuphukela isikhuphukelo yabona. Yeah, yabo ngale ngehlela manje bekithi ngifuna baphume kana mayibuye. Mayibona washo down yabo abantu bafitha for free fast yabona. So bathi haya behle yabo bakhuphuke lapha isikhuphukelo yabona. So ngale dlula ngale konke ngale bombebe bophupha kusakhuphuka yabona. So kube njalo nje.
Prize money ihamba njani papa?
Besithi 650 600 number 1 250 number 2 150 number 3 yabo besisho njalo yabona. So then bashito labanye ukuthi like ephuthi sicela isikhuphulele yabo ngathi mina no iproblem ma sponsor le ngikhulume nawo yabo athe ayendeke lento kuqala yabo then kube nathi ithombe sengichama nathi ithombe yabo ukuthi no nayi le ndiyendeka sedenze njani isithombe sisa sponsor tukalo yabo ngoba khumbule kunebantu bemandi lefuna bebekhona ufuna bebekhona kufana lento yabona bonke bavuma lento ngoba the only problem iba yi1 bonke bashole leli ishiwo ngelabantu yabo. So nafana nawo lona usanda ama email angethe babese bafona bathi buyi ufika office bafika bakutshela ukuthi no thina size singayinyalo kwanyalo singayilandzeli lento is because of this.
How many entries are you expecting for this year?
Bengithe 40 yabo. Then bengithe
40,000?
40 bantu 40 people. Bengithe 40 ne.
Yeah.
Then bengathi ngahlanganisa le minyaka because ngoba isaqala yabo ngathi mina from 18 22 yabo noma ngimuphumelekile like nalabanye labantu oqhamuka bafuna ukugijimela just for fun ukuthi basupport lento leyo they are welcome yabo.
What's incane?
Yeah, incane because sisena njani sisayiqala yabo. So kufuna sibe nalelo ukuthi khona umphakathi khona ubona ukuthi khona lento iyendeke yabo. Sedenzi yathi ukuthi khona bonke lokho at least bakubona se after that senkhathi sena njani siphakamisa kakhulu ngoba ngithi na ukhumbula nabo traffic siyile kubo kunema feedback abasitshele wona amaphoyisa lesile kubo nalabanye like kufuna banikele imali siyile kube bona lethi ngoba vele into letinye ihlupha njengoba ngisho ukuthi na uqhamuka enzaweni unetinto lingafuneki tiyendeke yabo.
That's all. Closing date for applications. You said it's on the 26th of
25 April.
25 April.
Yes,
Okay.
25 April ngo11 o'clock. Qala ngo11 sedeni nabasitshela laba ka lolu sebenza ka art and culture. Uthi kithi normally ufuna uqala 5:30 ekseni. Yabo. So ngoba mina ngibukela ukuthi isaqala yabo asesibe nalethombe sebese sitoyenda ngale ndlela ngisho yona yonke lemithetho nini ngithi 31 October 2026.
Okay.
Leyo kufanele ukuthi implementation.
Okay.
So then 31 October 2026 ngila khona lento bathi usuku bayibonile ukuthi yendeka sedele ngena nama sports akhona lebeka ngafuni ukuthi abe iphathi yendo because of into letinye singathi fixes nuts.
Okay. So it's soft launch basically. Okay, sharp, I get that. How do people sign up and closing date for that? Any?
Okay, lapha kunesitolo lapha ngathi sikawogogo community marathon kunesitolo nje lapha emgwaqeni kawogogo ngabe bakwadi bantu ePinari kawogogo uyakhona kungena lapha ubhalisa igama lakho nesibongo ne-age yakho yabo. So then Facebook uyakhona ukuthi inbox yabo usho ukuthi bot ngiyacela ukuthi ungibhalise bese ngiyabhalisa lapha sengiyakuzikela inamba lengaka senginayo yabo. Cishe nje bakhona labajabulisa bona abadini lapha vele ba-active kakhulu nalabo kugijima kakhulu laba mhluphe kakhulu yalo kugijima ngoba basembe kucala bayifuni labo kugijima baningi yabona ngibo nje labanike katingi yabona bengakacabanga yabo. So labanye baningi labafuna ngena just that abantu lokuthi bafuna kuqala ukuyibona into yendeka after that ngikhazi mina njani bayigijimisa kakhulu yokucala vele into yayicala ngefana esikhani class. Number 2 leyo nto basetulu kakhulu
efficacy. Kune phrases that are used by people from Lelo Logish and only people from Lelo Logish will understand. Kuthi ma awuthi hlele manje ebaptini uthi kawogogo uthi like what is this? Yeah, kuthi vele no so Facebook at least uvule umnyango ukuthi bakakhona ku access. But is it only for Pinarians or is everybody from Mbombela as a whole welcome?
Lendo imukeleke wonke nebilo khona nje uyabona. So kona normally yabo bantu abanye banilokuthi okay right ngoba yasePinari batshela ukuthi sibanga abantu bakuphi basePinari kuphela uyabona. Kahle lento besiyenda bunye bePinari uyabona ngoba sithi maybe kugcwele maybe bantu Pinari dume ngalokubi yabo into njalo. So lento siyendela abantu ukuthi okay right labanye bakhohle kunemuntu ohlede ekhaya unelitalent lokugijima but uthena esana ngihlulekile esikoleni yathi mina angisingulutsha wole difana lethe yabona. So ngabona le talent lokugijima kuyo ugijima uyabona le njalo. So sivulilonke umuntu ukuthi abe khona yabo kude lesingikhetha ukuthi njani yabona. But siyathi ukuthi angithi labanye bosha ama distance nale mali uma ucalculate le mali kwanyalo yabona ukuthi ingakanani yabona. So uyabona sethi maybe ufuna kuqhamuke imoto yabona uyofika lapha na athi ukuthi uyawena maybe kule number 3 athi 150 uyifiselele. So uyabona ngathi le petrol kusuka leni utofika lapha na yabona njani yabona. So kungilo
Kuna any entry fees?
Free of charge. Ungenela mahala nje awukhiphi lutho. Ukukhuluma nami uba nedatha lakho nje ukuthi upress lapha kebox uthi ebot wathi ngicela ukubhalisa awukhiphi lutho. Usesitolo anoma inbox awukhiphi lutho. Angifuni lutho uyathi fikela lapha na straight o'clock ngo10 ubezokhona ngo11 kuyasuka sagijimela awukhiphi next yabona free. Even into lengilele bese ngikhohliwe lokuthi bengifisa like abantu labaningi ukuthi like ilusha yabona angasabi umuntu kuba ne-ice block akhe lapha endleleni yabona athi thengisele ama-ice block umuntu otibelele emakhabishi utibele nani yabona njalo lo business yakhe khona kuhamba la endleleni akafake lento yakhe leyo yabona
Kube nempilo.
kube nempilo ukuthi ukhona athi ngiyendile nako ukhona gijinyiwe abantu bathi ngisupportekile na ibusiness mafeti yabona into njalo ingabeka amafeti akho lapha abantu abagijimela ufuna amafeti lo muyathi indlulele ethi uyasupport yabona into lethi njalo ngiyento linjile ngifuna ukuthi tendeke
No, Dr. I'm quite sure. Okay, Gongani, do you think there's anything that we left out? Lebo funa vele kuyifaka to spotlight ngoba sewulana vele, the floor is yours.
Yeah, okay, into le lengijabulisako nethi ngoba vele njengoba ngisho ukuthi esikhathini esiningi yabo like na wena umsebenzi abantu labanye abathanda ukuthi uvele yabo. So into okufuna bayathi abantu ukuthi ungasabi ukuthi vele njengoba ngisho ukuthi usaba usabani yabo. Njengoba ngihledi la uyabona ngibili manager yaMateo Bosa Mateo ludumile kufakazi bakhona bukhona ngile ngabusenda WhatsApp yenu uyabona ukuthi befana letho kusho ngihamba naye bukhona kwaleni bakhuluma ukuthi management yami ngilo muhle wase MP basho mina sis i-management yakuchisa boy basho mine na7 na DJ2 again 2022 bekungi management yakhe ahambe emarenini asho nemabookings bakhwa ki direct yabo. So abantu abaningi uma so ubusy about into njalo asithi off camera wena uvela yena yabo. Labanye nasebaphusha kakhulu abafuni ukuveta ukuthi esana phela mina ngiphushwe ngilo kakhulu uyibonele njalo. So ngithe into njalo ukuthi abantu bangabosaba uma umuntu enda umsebenzi omuhle kuvela wena usabo sabani nyalo ngitshilile ukuthi athi kuthina wonke umuntu engibabhizi naye angisafuni kuba off camera ngoba umuntu uyahlupha ufika nakachamuka athi bhuti ngicela ukunceda lunga kanti into seqala kushova kakhulu. So uyacala so wena njani so uyabale ushone mina ngazakade lutho yabona. So ngento letinto baningi ngomanenjile nethi ngibala labakhulu ngani ngalokuthi babe sebayafika egcineni yabona is like ngathi bantu abanjani lebevile badendela ngifana lethu ngoba ubowathi ukuthi njalo lesikhathi sishutha isikhathi funa sishuthe ingoma le emadlodi yabo befuna ishuthe idobile shasi yaseJosi ikhampani ekhulu yokushuta yabo befuna ushuta idubu dishazi ama contracts akhona still nakhona nanyale yabo size singashuti i-misunderstanding in artists ukuthi sikhansela big sekunema event lelihamba wona kodwa uyayibona le njalo so ngililo le njalo that's why ngiyakhatha konke uyayibona onke lama contract la cishe fana ukuthi like an artist lifuna ngene ema-radweni uyabona unokumtshela umuntu ngithi mina kungene eradweni nyalo isikhathi sanyalo ungathengisi nasisho ukuthengisa shisho ukuthi uma ungekho ku-market like unga-trade nangakwenisa ingoma nyalo kufanele ukuthi mina ngimosha isikhathi ngoba bona abacula konje ngani sitalele isonto nemuntu ucula lapha esondweni uyati ubamali ucula kamnandi esondweni mara kakadubu so wena uqhamuka ucula kamnandi kimi uthi ngicula kamnandi awuthengisi ingabe ungathengisi kude into lenta ukuthi abantu bakulandzele ucula kamnandi yes mara market kude
to create the market.
So yabona into njalo yabo so ngitotile nje abantu lekufuna abathathe into njengale ngoba vele ngosiya university lezi kutele nyalo yabona ngoba abantu abafika lamunye eputi wona cishe marede uyakhona kwalo center yabona ngicela ungiphusha yabona ngiyakutshela ngithi mina okay uma wena ngitokuthatha nyalo ngithamba uhlale khona goleni ufike ngisende ngama start into lakho ngendlela yakhona ngishaya ama contact ami yabona ufike uhlale lapha then what's next for me yabona le ngitho into labaningi labangaka understand lethu ukuthi correct nyalo ufuna ke Rise FM upress into tamte khona yabona ufike uhlale Rise FM say then yini into yende yabona fana isikhathi must be song of the week like kubona khona yabona after lokho bakile bakubhuka yini nangabe bakudlala imvikilini ubabhuki mos yabo wena jabulisa ukuthi lokho le wala wena basuke baphusha nini ama artists ukuthi nathi ukuthi hayi yabo usile kubandlala yabo after that kude igwala le yaba nema event why bangabhuki nangabe uthi ingoma yakhe idubu bayifaka into so week ngingale tinto leti njengale yabona tinto lokuthi ngibe busy kudo from lesikhathi vele ngisaphusha lezala le yabona so tinto tonke leto ngibuya kudo ngiyadada yabo baningi bantu lokuthi bangafika kuwe basho ukuthi ngendise so sengifike ngutshela ama fact ngithi mina lapha uzwe kukhona ukuphusha ulula damn yabo so kungilonje ngibonga kakhulu kusibe nami
No, I would say I'm more than anything else whenever it is for accommodating us because yeah, we had to meet finally end there, so I'm happy when you showed up. Boys and girls, thank you for joining us for this wonderful episode with Usabu Saban. Yeah, for some reason it was a bit of a tongue twister for me, but eventually I'm right on top of it. I can't explain it. Thanks for all the love that we got from the Seafood Syndrome episode. I believe that episode got 40 new followers, and when it started out, we wanted to put the light on Eve, and it's ended up doing so many beautiful things for mental health. We keep getting emails and SMSs and WhatsApps about it, and we're happy that through her, we could reach you so that more other people can be happier in their own bodies. So yeah, we are what we are through you. Anywho, merchandise is back, but for you to place your orders, we'll get them as soon as possible, and we're feeling the love, we're loving the support. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Still your boy, Leo Gandhi. Out.